tune into an area of life where you've been feeling not so patient, impatient. You've been pushing yourself, resisting. It's not happening quick enough, fast enough. Judging yourself. Why is this not working out the way I want it to? Hi, it's Megan with the Morphic Field. In this snapshot tabletop constellation, we're going to tune into patience. We're going to receive the energy of patience, tune into the frequency, perhaps transform an area of our life where we've been impatient. We'll receive messages and a deep healing. As always with a tabletop constellation, grab your post-it notes and a pen, and you can follow along like it's a meditation as well. So let's begin. And we're going to draw that arrow up top. That's the direction in which the parts are facing in the field. We're going to bring you in this present moment into the field. We are writing me now, you in this present moment. Let's first bring you into the field, get really present to you in the present moment. Let's place you here facing forward. And as you place your hand on the representation for me now, for you in this present moment, really begin to open up to this moment of now, tuning into your experience of you. What's it like to be you? The feeling, how do you feel? What's it like to be in your body? Noticing your thoughts. Feeling your emotions. What are you present to? What are you present to in your body, in your mind? How do you feel? Becoming more aware of your experience of you. How do you experience you? How do you experience you in the moment? And as you tune into the field, accessing more of you. You are a multi-dimensional being. So bringing what's in the subconscious, the unconscious to the conscious, the unseen to the seen. Tuning in a little bit more to your support, your spirit team, the benevolent forces of the universe that are guiding you, supporting you at all time. So tuning you even more to this unseen support of guidance, of love, that's always here for you. It's bringing more conscious awareness to it, allowing, receiving that support to come to you right now. Feeling yourself wrapped in the support, engulfed in it. See if there are messages for you showing up right now. Receiving those messages, tuning in, tuning your frequency to receive those messages. When we operate at a higher frequency, we can work with our spirit team even more. So paying mind, paying attention to what frequency we're dialed into. And sometimes when we're feeling like we're receiving from our spirit team, it may not be in the mind space. It may be a feeling, a knowing. Maybe the sparking of our divinity. So receiving for our greatest good, this energy, this support. And as we become more aware of our experience right now, tune into an area of life where you've been feeling not so patient, impatient. You've been pushing yourself, resisting. It's not happening quick enough, fast enough. Judging yourself. Why is this not working out the way I want it to? What's that feeling of not being patient, of being impatient? Let it come to you right now. Feel it. Feel the thoughts. Think the thoughts, the beliefs. Feel the feelings, the emotions that come with the thoughts, the beliefs. This world looking through the eyes of impatience. What's the situation from the past and the present that is bringing that experience to you, that you're living. Have it be really present. Okay, we're going to bring in patience. So we're taking a post-it note, drawing that arrow up top. We're going to write patience. We're feeling into the frequency, the information, the energy of patience. So let's place it in front of you. We're going to look at it first, placing one hand on me now and the other hand on patience. Again, we're tuning into the energy and information, the resonance of patience and you in this present moment. So begin to channel this information, this energy of patience. Observing, noticing what you're noticing. You may already feel, since patience came into your field, since you consciously brought it in, a sense of relief. So begin to notice how just bringing patience in to your field, welcoming it in, looking at it, feels. Does it shift anything for you? Having this energy be with you. Looking through your eyes in this present moment, look towards patience. What do you see? Perhaps you're seeing scenes, images, others who are patient. You, at times when you are patient, allow this information to come in. This is here to support you. Some of you may be tuning into your spirit team along with this patience. Those who are helping you, your guides, archangels, that are here to support you in whatever area you're asking for help. Our spirit team is helping us, and we also want to ask for help as well. Sometimes they won't intervene unless we're asking, so feel if that's true for you. And if so, ask. Ask for their support around patience. What else are you observing? Allow the energy to come through right now, receiving this energy of patience. Peace, love, what other emotions, experiences, feelings come with patience, wisdom, release, forgiveness. Allow this to come through, to be received by you right now, to be awakened within you, the patience within you, the peace within you, feeling yourself coming back to center, balance, harmony. When we are in resonance with something, with a frequency of vibration, we are exchanging energy with it. So receive the frequency, the vibration, the energy of patience right now, fully. Take a nice breath as you receive it. You may say into the field, I am tuned into the resonance of patience. I'm exchanging energy with patience. I am receiving patience. I'm allowing patience to be with me. I'm allowing patience to take over. Notice what happens. How does it feel when you allow patience in on the energetic level? Receiving this resonance. We are multi-dimensional beings operating at many levels at the same time, unconscious, subconscious, conscious. So when we subconsciously, unconsciously, consciously tune into a certain frequency, we are exchanging energy with that frequency. So right now, on all levels, layers, dimensions, receive this energy through vibration, through resonance of patience. Feeling yourself melting into it. Now look at the area or areas in your life where you've been impatient. See what's available to you now, looking through new eyes, new angles, new perspectives. See if something new is available to you. See what new is available to you. What do you see differently? What is morphed? What is transformed? What is alchemized? What is shifted for you? Looking through these eyes. See what messages are there from patience to you that can support you, guide you, help you. Receive those messages. There may be words to say out loud. Words like, I can support myself. It is important that I stay centered. I can be kind to myself. I come from love. I come with love. I forgive. I let go. I am complete. What words support you? Speaking these words to the universe, to others, to yourself. Feeling into the vibration, frequency, resonance of your words. What you're transmitting to the universe. What you're transmitting to you on all layers, levels, and dimensions. These instructions. We're going to integrate with patience. So when you're ready, you're going to place patience underneath me now. And let's place our hand both on me now and patience, feeling this integration. So feeling patience within you, receiving fully the energy information, this vibration frequency of patience. Notice how it lives within you now. There may be a sensation of feeling softer, calmer, more peace, quiet, wisdom. How does it live within you now? Feeling centered, balanced, harmonized. Looking, seeing, hearing through new eyes. See if also, as you're integrating, there's a movement for you. And perhaps you had felt stuck before in some sort of resistance state with the impatience. See if now that patience lives within you, that patience has been awakened, that you're integrated with patience within. See if there's a movement forward. If there's a movement forward, if that feels true for you, go ahead and take a step. Take a step forward. Now notice what it feels like to be in this new space, having taken a step forward, supporting yourself through the work that you just did. In this new space, feel this clearing, this lifting of old energies that were not serving your greatest good. And now tuning into this awakening, this renewal, transformation, this shift within that you created. What is it like to be in this new space, this movement now within and around? Some of you may want to take another step, so let's do another step forward. How does it feel to take that step forward? How does it feel to be in this new space? This movement forward through time and space, bringing all of you, feel into how more of you, more of your wholeness is present. You are aware of more of yourself. See if there's anything else to speak into the field. I am alive. I'm doing well. I love myself. I love life. Life is an opportunity. See what words are there for you. As you speak these words, the universe will match the resonance, the vibration of your words. So feeling this energy exchange with the universe as you speak out loud. Okay, we're going to complete this short tabletop constellation in just a moment. Feel yourself receiving all the healing, transformation, the love, the support, the guidance. All right, we'll complete here. Thank you for doing the work to support yourself for healing and transformation. Each time you do this work, you're not just doing it for yourself. We're all part of the collective. We're all interconnected. So the work that you do for yourself spreads. It affects us all. Some of you may have felt disconnected during the constellation, like you really weren't receiving the messages that you know are there. There was some sort of a disconnect, or maybe an issue came through, something from family or your own personal trauma. When we access the Morphic Field like we did in this tabletop constellation, it is all for your healing and transformation and growth. So the information that comes through is not an accident. When you work with me one-on-one or in groups, we are accessing the Morphic Field for your healing and transformation, releasing you from that trauma that you've been carrying, the burdens that you've been carrying, some of you your entire life, so that you can be free to live your own life. Visit my website, themorphicfield.com, to learn more about family constellation work. There's even a free 15-minute call button that you can select there. We can talk about how, through working with the Morphic Field, you can release yourself from your issue so that you can be free to live your life. If you got something out of this video, please hit that like button. Share this video with others who maybe could use a little bit more patience in their life. And if you haven't subscribed to the Morphic Field channel, please do subscribe and remember to hit that notifications bell.